already have no. We already mashed the avocado. It's really only avocado, lemon, and
garlic and onion.
oh my God.
Balik ko na lang.
Lower the volume, yeah. Maybe I will get copyright infringement. Oh, you add it. You have a garlic here. But little lang no, kay gamay na lang man. Oh, sige. Sige na yan. We have what already? What?
So what?
We have lemon. I just squeeze it
Lemoncito.
with my dirty fingernails. Oh my God. Yuck. It doesn't do. Masakit ito, yeah. Onions.
Onion